everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Sibanda, and in today's video I'm going to show you a full detailed makeup tutorial. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. This video is going to be interesting. Okay guys, let us get into the video. Before anything, clean your face to get rid of dirties and oilies. So I'm using brow gel and the brush to line up my brows. So just kindly follow the exact shape of your brows and also use lighter force. Do not use too much force. And if you are a beginner, avoid black, please avoid black. Use brown color. Try to find brown color and you use brown color so that it will go well. So right now I'm brushing through using the eyebrow brush. So in this area you can use a spoolie. A spoolie is very good because it will show, after brushing it will show like natural strands. So if you don't have a spoolie, you can clean up that empty. If your mascara finish, just take that brush for mascara, you wash it, then you use it to brush your brow, because that's the best. It shows the natural lines instead of a brush. So now I'm cleaning my brows with a concealer, and to blend I use a wet beauty blender. I just squeeze out the excess water, a flawless blend. So to clean your brows, if you are a beginner, on top you can use foundation. You can choose to use foundation, then below you can use concealer. But as for me, I use concealer both down and up. So right now I'm drawing hair like structures in front of my brow so that my eyebrow will look as natural as possible. It's very important. And now I'm drawing my next brow, so you have to ensure that you start from the lower brow, because you can achieve your brow very easily. And use lighter forces. Use lighter force and try to follow the exact shape of your eyebrows. Then with the lighter force, continue with lighter force, lighter force, lighter force. So I'm using the brow that I use for concealer to draw again hair-like structures. So to moisturize, I used my Gentle Magic moisturizer cream. Then I'm putting the oil, the Inuka oil, as a moisturizer, as a base again. Then I'm putting my fix primer, on the T-zone of the face. Then I'm putting color corrector where I have dark spots on my cheeks. Then now I'm going with my foundation. So when you are using foundation, you don't have to apply the fresh product near your nose because it can crease very easily. So also when you are applying on your forehead, you don't have to apply the fresh product near your hairline, but otherwise you just use a beauty blender that you used before on other places to apply to avoid creasing again. So I'm re-putting the foundation. Try to use as less product as possible to avoid over-layering. So right now I'm concealing on the V-zone under my eyes. That's where they usually have eyes, circles, black circles. And also I'm using my foundation as a bronzer because I don't want those black. Then I'm mixing the concealer because the other one is very light, so I'm mixing with the darker. So when using highlighting with concealer, you have to use the concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, but foundation you use the one that is for your skin tone. And also when blending, you use your beauty blender and use that same area where you were putting powder on, so that it can sink very well. After foundation and highlighting with concealer, I use my powder to set. So now I'm going for the eyeshadow. I'm going for the black at the outer corners of my lines. So I'm using black, so I'm just tapping it in, tap it in. So for the powder, for the eyeshadow to sink in, you tap it in at the outer corner. Then you go with circular motions lightly inside the inner corner on the transitioning, as a transitioning shade on the cut crease, exactly on the cut crease. Other side, I'm also tapping on the outer corner. I tap so that the foundation will sit well. Then the remaining eyeshadow is the one that I use as a transition shade on the cut crease. I lightly go with circular motion inside. Then I'm using the shimmer white shade on my eyelids. channel, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Support your lady, and also do it if you are willing to be part of this family. If you are willing to see more videos of makeup and of hair, to see more styles, so just go and subscribe and ring out, press that notification bell so that you can see whenever I send a new video. Like, share, and comment. So if you subscribe, write in the comment section that I subscribe, so that I can see you and appreciate you. Then I'm putting my mascara. This time I'm not putting any eyelashes because my lashes, I feel like they are long enough, and since I did a dramatic green eye, it can supplement those lashes. So now I'm using a fluffy eyebrow brush. That brush that we use for blending for eyeshadow. You can use it also to apply the bronzer. So I'm using to apply the bronzer because I feel like the big brushes, they are very they can't put exactly the line which I want. So that's for me, but as for you, you can use whatever that you feel comfortable with. So I'm bronzing on the side, two sides of the bridge of my nose and under my cheekbones. So that's you have to measure with your like in upper ear, something like that. You just see like how I'm doing. So I have blended it with a blending brush. So now I'm putting the blushes. So as the blushes, you have to smile and put on your cheek. So you put on your cheek going a bit like upwards so that it can look sexy and flattering. Light to highlight, I'm using the golden shimmery eyeshadow. So I just highlighted on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones, on my lip top, and under my brows. That's the areas to highlight. So now I'm putting lipstick. I'm just lining exactly on the edges of my lips. Exactly on the edges of my lips. That's where I'm lining. So I'm not lining inside. So for an ombre lip, I mix it. I rub my lips together. Instead of applying to rub it together, the one that will just come inward, just bringing an ombre effect, as you can see, so that there won't be a harsh line. You just do it as it is wet. So I'm using the concealer to line the inner lips. I'm using the concealer and I rub my lips together again. You are wow, just look and see what's coming out. So I'm putting my glossy. It's very strong gloss. I bought it from Clicks. You will get it. So that's it, guys. That's it.